So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 9 repeated questions to answer on the topic dignity of labor. So guys, this video will be about benefits of dignity of labor. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, in Colossians, Christians are advised to be diligent at work because in so doing, they are A. Worthy of heaven, B. Exalting themselves, C. Serving God, D. Challenging unbelievers. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, serving God. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So here's the next question here, question number 2. It says, when Paul says, if anyone will not work, let him not eat, he is saying that A. The unemployed should not eat. B. Every person should seek lucrative job. C. Every person should toil and labor with his hands. D. The lazy person must eat only a little. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. Every person should toil and labor with his hands. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So here's the next question, question number 3. It says, Paul reminded the Thessalonians that he did not eat anyone's bread without paying for it. This statement teaches A. Hard work, B. Humility, C. Self-respect, D. Creativity. So the answer to this question is option A. Hard work, and that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So we have here question number 4. It says, Paul advised that those who do not work should not eat, and those who work should do so. A. Smartly, B. With all their strength, C. Diligently, D. In quietness. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, in quietness. So let's check out the next question here, question number 5. It says, St. Paul supported his admonition on dignity of labor by A. Instructing Christians not to tolerate laziness, B. Charging Christians to support the church, C. Giving an example of himself, D. Encouraging hard work and good living. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. Giving an example of himself. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. So the next question here is question number 6. It says, busybodies and those living in idleness in the church at Thessalonica are admonished to A. Appeal to those in authority to create jobs, B. Do their work in quietness and earn a living, C. Endure persecution from their masters, D. Pray for those in authority for peace. So guys, the answer to this question is option B. Do their work in quietness and earn a living. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So the next question here is question number 7. It says, when Paul says, if anyone will not work, let him not eat, he means human labor is not appreciated. B. People should learn how to serve. C. Fasting is advised while working. D. Every person should toil and labor to earn a living. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So the next question here is question number 8. It says, when Paul says, if anyone will not work, let him not eat, he means, okay guys, this is the third time this question is coming up. The answer to this question is option A. Every person should toil and labor to earn a living. So let's go ahead and consider the next and last question, guys. So here's the last question, guys. Question number 9. It says, in the course of his ministry, Paul worked night and day so that A. his followers might eat, B. he could pay the debts he was owing the brethren, C. he could raise money for the work of the gospel, D. he might not be a burden to anyone. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, so that you might not be a burden to anyone. And that's it for this question, guys. So this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. We'll post major updates on JAMB examination. So guys, this will help you a lot even as you prepare for your JAMB examination for the year. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.